Several types of data analysis or analytics. Analysis of a data is a vital part of running a successful business. When data is used effectively, it leads to better understanding of businesses' previous performance and better decision making for its future activities. There are many ways that data can be utilized at all levels of company's operation. There are 4 types of data analysis that are in use across all industries. While we separate these into categories, they are all linked together and build upon each other. As you begin moving from the simplest type of analytics to more complex, the degree of difficulty and resources required increases. At the same time, the level of added insight and value also increases. Let's delve deeper into these 4 types of data analysis. The 4 types of data analysis are descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. We will introduce each type and give examples how they are utilized in business, so pay attention. The first type of data analysis is descriptive analysis. It is at the foundation of all data insight. It is the simplest and most common use of data in business today. Descriptive analysis answers the what happened by summarizing past data, usually in the form of dashboards. The biggest use of descriptive analysis in business is to track key performance indicators. KPI describes how a business is performing based on chosen benchmarks. Business application of descriptive analysis include KPI dashboards, monthly revenue reports, sales leads overview. Diagnostic analysis. After asking the main question of what happened, the next step is to dive deeper and ask, why did it happen? This is where diagnostic analysis comes in. Diagnostic analysis takes the insights found Diagnostic analysis takes the insight found from descriptive analytics and drills down to find the cause of those outcomes. Organizations make use of this type of analytics as it creates more connections between data and identifies pattern of behavior. A critical aspect of diagnostic analysis is creating detailed information. When new problems arise, it is possible you have already collected certain data pertaining to the issue. By already having the data at your disposal, it ends having to repeat work and makes all problems interconnected. Business application of diagnostic analysis include a freight company investigating the cause of slow shipments in a certain region, or a SaaS company drilling down to determine which marketing activities increase trials. Further move into predictive analysis. Predictive analysis attempts to answer the question, what is likely to happen? This type of analytics utilizes previous data to make predictions about future outcomes. This type of analysis is another step up from the descriptive and diagnostic analysis. Predictive analysis uses the data we have summarized to make more logical predictions of the outcomes of events. This analysis relies on statistical modeling, which requires added technology and manpower to forecast. It is also important to understand that forecasting is only an estimate. The accuracy of prediction relies on quality and detailed data. While descriptive and diagnostic analysis are common practices in business, Predictive analysis is where many organizations begin show signs of difficulty. Some companies do not have the manpower to implement predictive analysis in every place they desire. Others are not yet willing to invest in analysis teams across every department or not prepared to educate current teams. Business application of predictive analysis include risk assessment, sales forecasting, using customer segmentation to determine which leads have the best chance of converting. Predictive analysis in customer success team. Next and the last one, prescriptive analysis. The final type of data analysis is the most sought after. But few organizations are truly equipped to perform it. Prescriptive analysis is the frontier of data analysis, combining the insight from all previous analysis to determine the course of action to take in a current problem or decision. This analysis utilizes state-of-the-art technology and data practices. It is a huge organizational commitment, and companies must be sure that they are ready and willing to put forth the efforts and resources. Artificial intelligence is a perfect example of prescriptive analytics. AI system consumes a large amount of data to continuously learn and use this information to make informed decisions. Well-designed AI are capable of communicating these decisions and even putting those decisions into action. Business processes can be performed and optimized daily without a human doing anything with artificial intelligence. Currently, most of the big data driven companies like Apple, Facebook, Netflix, etc., are utilizing this type of analysis and AI to improve decision making. For other organizations, the jump of predictive and prescriptive analytics can be not possible. As technology continues to improve and more professional are educated in data, we will see more companies entering the data driven analysis. As we have seen, each of these types of data analysis are connected and rely on each other to a certain degree. They each serve a different purpose and provide varying insight. Moving from descriptive analysis to predictive and prescriptive analysis requires much more technical ability, but also can unlock more insights for your organization.